First of all, draw a structure like a slightly inflated balloon and then add a bunch of small circles to give it an illusion of small blood capillaries, and then we will fill it to complete it. And this will be our glomerulus, which is a bed of capillaries. And then we will draw a cup-like structure around our glomerulus, and it's called glomerulus capsule or Bowman capsule. And then we will reshape it to make it look presentable. Then we will draw a convoluted path, and you can draw it as you wish. And then we will take a ruler and draw straight lines to make a loop of Henle of our nephron. And while we are making our loop of Henle, let me share an important thing with you, that we should never give up in our life, because there is a saying, failure is only an opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. We should never give up, because maybe the second try will be a lot better than the first one. And there is an example of it at the last of the video. And just like before, again draw a convoluted path, and this will be our distal convoluted tubule. And at the last we will draw our collecting duct with the help of a ruler. And this will be the place where urine is collected from 2 to 3 nephrons of the kidney, and then urine will eventually move towards the minor and major calyx of the kidney. Now start coloring with a light hand. Now highlight the border of our nephron. And after filtration from glomerulus, the filtrate will move towards the Bowman capsule, then proximal convoluted tubule, and then loop of Henle, and then distal convoluted tubule, and at the last it will fall into the collecting ducts. And these arrows are showing the flow pathway of the excreting fluid, which is urine. Now start the labeling of the diagram. First is glomerulus, which is bed of capillaries. Then Bowman capsule or glomerulus capsule. Then proximal convoluted tubule, which is first convoluted pathway. And then our loop of Henle. And the second convoluted tubules, which is distal convoluted tubule. And in the last, collecting duct. And now it's time to share my example of we should never give up. I know it's not a big example, but we should learn from our simple or small mistakes. So here it is. This is the first attempt of me making nephron diagram, but because of some reason it didn't get filmed. And this is the second attempt, and I think second attempt is a lot better than first one.